Let's test your audit knowledge. What governs the ethical responsibilities of CPAs? That's the AICPA Code of Professional Conduct. So ethical standards apply to all CPAs, not just auditors. When is independence required? For audit and attestation engagements. So independence is not required for tax or consulting services. What does independence in fact and appearance mean? Objectivity must exist both in reality and how it appears to others. So appearance matters, even if judgment isn't actually impaired. Who is considered a covered member? Individuals in a position to influence the audit, including engagement team members. So independence rules apply most strictly to covered members. Can a covered member have a direct financial interest in an audit client? No, they cannot. Direct financial interests impair independence. Even immaterial direct interests are prohibited. When does an indirect financial interest impair independence? Only when it's material. So if it's indirect and material, then independence is impaired. Can close family members affect auditor independence? Yes, certain close family relationships can impair independence. Spouses and dependents are treated like the auditor. Does employment with an audit client affect independence? Yes. Employment or management participation impairs independence. So auditors cannot act as management ever. Can auditors provide non-attest services to audit clients? Yes. If safeguards are met and management takes responsibility, management must oversee and accept responsibility. What is the management participation threat? That's when the auditor assumes management responsibilities. This threat cannot be reduced to an acceptable level. Are contingent fees allowed for audit engagements? No. Contingent fees impair independence. So if you have an audit and you have a contingent fee, that's always going to be prohibited. Can auditors receive commissions from audit clients? No. Commissions impair independence. This applies even if the commission seems unrelated. Can a CPA disclose confidential client information? Only with the consent, or when legally required. So confidentiality applies beyond the engagement. What are acts discreditable? They are actions that harm the profession's reputation. These can occur inside or outside professional standards. What does the due care principle require? It requires competence, diligence, and adherence to professional standards. Due care does not equal perfection. It requires judgment. What do integrity and objectivity require? It requires honesty, impartiality, and freedom from conflicts of interest. Objectivity must be maintained even under pressure. What's the fastest way to spot an independence issue on the exam? You're going to be able to look for financial interest, employment, or management participation. If the auditor acts like management, independence is gone. Is independence an ethical requirement or an audit requirement? It's really both, but independence is specifically required for audits. Ethics apply broadly. Independence applies selectively. So, repetition is how you get those points on exam day. So rewatch this until it clicks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.